Scotia, yeah. It's like we have forest fires right now, which is very...
The really beautiful ones are endangered.
And you can just get that really nice street art there. We got the little gecko. We got some nice art here. So really, really nice street art goes all the way down. But yeah, this is just a nice view everywhere. So shout out to the statues. And then we just checked this one out, y'all. Mystery Man, part 3, y'all. Honolulu part 3. Get excited. We are back. I'm glad y'all enjoyed part 1 and part 2, but let's check this out. We gonna finish it off, y'all. Honolulu, Hawaii. Get excited. Thanks, man. How y'all doing? Y'all doing all right? Hey, you want to get on my travel channel real quick? Yeah, I'm interviewing people. Cool. All right, you're all good right there. I'll just back up a little bit. I got a good angle for everybody. All right, so what's y'all's names, man?
I'm Nathan.
Nathan?
Alicia.
Say it again?
Alicia.
Alicia. Okay, it was the traffic that was getting in the way. I couldn't hear anything. All right, so you guys from out of town visiting?
We're from Nova Scotia.
Yeah.
Nova Scotia.
Yeah.
All right, enchanté de faire votre connaissance, right? That's how you say it, but not in Canadian French, so that's okay. All right, so that's all good. So y'all came all the way from Canada.
We did, yes.
All right, and how long are you here for?
10 days.
10 days. All right,
yeah.
we're only doing the weekend. So
No way.
Wow.
even further, yeah.
That's on the bucket list too.
Yeah, well, you'll get there. So
That's
if you ever come
awesome.
around the Olympics are coming there in a few years, give you an excuse to come down.
Yeah.
But you don't want to go now because it's winter time. So winter just
Winter
hit.
time, right?
Yeah, so we just our winter.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, a lot of our people end up going to Vancouver, but that's not really winter time either, right? So
No.
compared to what y'all got in Nova
Vancouver's
Scotia.
pretty good. Yeah,
Honestly,
Nova
Yeah.
Scotia
in
is
Nova Scotia,
different.
yeah. It's like we have forest fires right now, which is very rare.
Oh, really? Okay, there you go. I'll have to make it up there one day, but yeah, that's all good.
Beautiful spot,
yeah.
yeah.
I wouldn't mind it, you know? Like I said, and
Definitely.
my French is all right, so I'll see what I can do,
We
you know?
don't speak much
We don't
French in Nova
we
Scotia.
don't
Oh,
know
really?
French,
How
yeah.
far do you have to drive to go where they look at you bad
8
if you don't
hours.
speak French? 8 hours.
Yeah.
Okay, so y'all are safe, so you're all right.
We're all good. We
Okay,
don't
cool.
We don't speak French.
All
very
right,
much.
perfect. That's all good. No wonder you're looking crazy when I was talking. That's all right. All right, so is this y'all's first time to the States, or you've been to the States a few times
Been
before?
to the States, never to Hawaii.
Never to Hawaii. The
Yeah.
best part about Hawaii, it's like you're there, but you're not there. So
I know.
that's the best, right? So it's like
Yeah.
you're in America, but you're not in America. You don't have to deal with all the other stuff, so that's good.
100%. Mystery Man.
All right, y'all have a good day. See ya.
Mystery Man,
So
baby!
this seems pretty interesting with these birds here.
This is zebra doves.
Okay.
The little brown ones are sparrows.
Okay. What about the ones with the red?
That's a red-headed cardinal.
Okay.
And some even smaller ones that you'll see with a little red beak are Java finches.
These are some really, really nice birds here. That's what Hawaii's famous for, right? Birds?
No, because most of their endangered birds, the really beautiful ones, are endangered.
Okay.
So, and you won't see them unless you're in forest areas.
Yeah, okay. Well, we like these ones, and thanks for explaining it to us. What's your name?
Carol?
Carol? All right, my name is Mystery Man.
Hi.
That's my channel online, so that's usually what I get people to do. But thanks for showing us these birds. All right.
Mystery.
Have a great day. Man, if you can see the detailed artwork here, and we're just in a parking garage, so get excited. There's lots of street art all over the place in Honolulu, but check this parking garage out, y'all. Marvel at it. A nice lay for you here in Hawaii. And you can just get that really nice street art there. Thanks,
Mr. Man!
All right. Aloha Landing. Now, I'm sure a lot of y'all haven't been to malls like this. Look at the sand artwork inside the mall. It's crazy. Really nice sand castles.
Mystery Man,
On this
baby!
side, and we got the little gecko. Wow! All that kind of stuff. And this is literally inside of a hotel. So that's pretty cool. All right, so again, we're at another one of the hotels, but we got some nice art here. Looks like some turtles. Wow! And it's a green sea turtle, native of Hawaii. So that's pretty nice there. I just kind of want y'all to check that out over here. Yeah.
No mystery, baby.
Really, really nice street art goes all the way down.
Amazing!
Thanks,
Mr.
man.
Man!
All right. So as you can see, there's a lot of little nooks and crannies around that end up being shops. Everywhere wants you to spend around these parts. And there's little gardens inside pretty much every shopping center. There's a nice garden inside too,
Mystery Man,
which is pretty
baby!
good. Lots of fancy little shops everywhere. So, and food courts. Goes all the way up there. All right, we couldn't come down here without going down the old famous
Mr. Man!
street to Waikiki Beach, the famous alleyway. Pick up a surfboard and hit the beach. That's what it's all about. Now, I know y'all probably seen this on social media, people taking pictures in front of the surfboards and nobody is behind them. Let me tell you this, it's almost impossible to get a picture in front of these surfboards with nobody in front or behind you. Instagram versus reality, y'all. Get hungry, get you some ice cream. This is a really famous ice cream place right here as well. There's a lot of famous stuff in this town. But yeah, you gotta get in the water because it's nice. Thanks, man.
Mr. Man!
Alright. Nice little bus. Nice colors on the bus. A lot of fancy hotels out here as well. So keep in mind, y'all, we ain't even get to Waikiki Beach yet. Once we get there, y'all are gonna see how it is. But this is right on the beach. You just walk a little bit further down the road and that's all you need, y'all. It's called the Moana Surf Rider. Alright, so Moana Surf Rider, if y'all want to put me on, alright, y'all want to sponsor me, I'll tell you all about this place. Everything that you need to know.
Mystery man, baby.
Shout out to everybody out here, but it's a nice place people want to go. Have weddings and all that kind of stuff. It all happens here at the old Moana Surf Rider, y'all. Right next to everything that you need, too. Ooh, I'm excited. I know y'all want to see this, man. Waikiki Beach, world famous. We going up and down Waikiki Beach. We might even talk to people. We gonna see what happens, y'all, out here. Mystery Man Travels, get excited. Waikiki Beach. Thanks,
Mr. Man!
You already know. It's going down. Waikiki. Mystery Man.
Mystery man, baby.
Everybody else. So if you're watching this from wherever you're watching this from, bust out your Hawaiian shirt and do what you need to do.
Well, it gets like that.
Now I know a lot of people when they come out here to old Waikiki, they like to get this statue here. So I'm gonna get that, and shout out to the Huskies too, but let's pop that up there. There you go.
Ultimate.
Shout out to Waikiki. As we're walking down the beach, y'all, it looks like there's a little bit of action down here, so let's check that out.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, they're giving away wetsuits. I wouldn't mind one myself. Somebody won. All right, everybody. Like I said, we're on Waikiki Beach. Thanks,
Mr.
man.
Man!
Things are looking nice. Everybody's around having a good time. The water's nice and warm.
Amazing.
Such a nice place everywhere. Towers. And y'all get to walk on Waikiki Beach with me. So who wouldn't want that, right? Let's feel how nice the water is.
I am a martial artist.
Feels really nice to me. Oh, big wave. Oh, that got me. Here comes another big one. All right. And it's funny because you got to be careful because wherever you end up putting your belongings, the big wave could come and just knock everything over.
Yeah, okay.
And you find yourself going up higher and higher, you know? So that's the main thing that you want to be careful of. See how big the waves are? And that's what happens. So it's good to be up nice and high. But the water seems like it's really refreshing. The waves are nice and big, so we're gonna have to check that out a little bit later. Oh, those waves are powerful. Now, as we're walking around here on the beach, you can actually see that the sand is white. It's a white sand beach, and there are a lot of palm trees. Now, this famous shoreline is lined up with swaying palm trees, and it creates a tropical paradise ambiance. And we got the sun coming down, so you can see a little bit of a sunset as well. That tide is pretty strong right now. The evening tide. Yeah, everybody's having a good time, man. You try to get in there, but you don't know what's gonna happen. Thanks, man.
Mr. Man!
You can see some of the hotels that we passed a little bit earlier. And it seems like the tide is just trying its best to take us out. But the color of the water Can't beat that. And it looks like they're having a nice party up there as well, which is a good thing. So this is another one of the big hotels, and they got a lot of music going on and a lot of family stuff. Really family orientated kind of place here. Thanks,
Mr. Man!
All right. And you just go in the water and just have a dip, have a nice dip while you're out there, you know? So that's always a good thing.
Mystery Man, baby.
But yeah, the waves are obviously taking people out. So I don't want to be one of the people that's taken out by the waves, because the waves will take you out around here. Look at those. It's crazy right now. So there's the Pink Hotel, everybody. That one's world famous. So the world famous Pink Hotel in Honolulu. You don't see that every day. Amazing! But this actually makes me want to get in the water, y'all. So
Welcome to Paramount.
if I'm not here long, it's because I'm in the water. Because you can't really come here without going in the water. And the water is the perfect temperature, which makes things even nicer, actually. While we're here on Waikiki Beach, let me give y'all some fun facts. So obviously this is a legendary surfing spot. It's considered the birthplace of modern surfing. There was a native Hawaiian, and he was a swimming champion. He popularized swimming here on Waikiki Beach, and he spread the sport's popularity worldwide. But yeah, this is just a nice view everywhere, so can't complain. And you get the little backdrop too. So we're gonna see if it's gonna get me in my foot. So I figured as we were walking, y'all, we're just gonna have a little bit of the backdrop of this lovely Pink Hotel here. Y'all ever want to stay here, this is the backdrop of it. All right, so get your valet, get everything that you need,
Yes.
and for the right price you can stay here. But all you mystery people out there, go ahead and contact the people that operate this hotel and say you want to see a Mystery Man tour. I'll take y'all on a tour. All right, so just let me know. But as we go through these lovely gates over this way, you can tell it's fancy because they got some really nice gates, so that's always a good thing there. But once again, y'all, the nice Pink Hotel, nice pink backdrop, and this is the gate that you drive in.
Mystery Man, baby.
All right, so as we are walking across this way, what I want to do is I just want to get
Mr. Man!
the little statues and all that good stuff over this way, and we can see what we're gonna do, what we're gonna find around. So shout out to the statues, shout out to Pops.
I don't know what to say.
He was around since 1980, but he did have fresh lay on him, so that's good. And then we just check this one out, y'all. Look at that.
There's not really much to do in this tent.
So things are looking good, y'all. The sun's coming down. Thanks,
Mr. Man!
We got the Army Museum. Shout out to the Army Museum. Zoom in on that, y'all. Shout out to the Army Museum. And just around the back of the old beach, Waikiki Beach, it gets a little bit quieter as you start heading down. Man, that was crazy, everybody. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Part 3, Honolulu. Get excited. If you haven't watched already, we got part 1 and part 2. Check those out, or you can check out the Hawaii complete video on Honolulu. Get excited. But one more time, y'all, Mystery Man, like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and spread the word, y'all. Mystery Man videos, we doing it all over the world. Put in the comments where you want me to go next. Get excited, y'all. Mystery Man.